Hi, in this video, I'm going to show how you can add recipes and sub-recipes in the system. All you need to do is click on this recipe on the left. On top right, click on Add Recipe. And here I will start by adding a sub-recipe, and then we will move into the main recipe where we will add this sub-recipe. First, I'm going to put the name as tomato sauce. Here you can select the outlets where this particular recipe is available. And in the manufacturing outlet, you basically choose the outlet where this particular recipe is manufactured. In the recipe quantity, you can put the quantity as one portion, or you can use other units as well. Here I'm defining one portion is equal to 250 gram. It's up to you if you want to use multiple units. And here in the recipe ingredients, as per the quantity, I'm going to put the SKUs. So for tomato sauce, I'm going to start by adding tomato, and I will take, say, 100 gram of tomatoes, mention the quantity and the unit. And like this, you can keep adding the SKUs. Now, after you're done adding the SKUs, you can just scroll down. In this section, you can make a note of the preparation methods, and this particular field is completely optional. Once you're done jotting down all these things, you can click on Save. And on the list, it will get recorded as tomato sauce, and it will give you the cost price as well. Now I'm going to use tomato sauce in another recipe. For example, I'm going to create a recipe called noodles, and there I will be using tomato sauce as a sub recipe. Again, you need to click on Add Recipe over here, and I'm going to mention the name of the recipe here. I'm going to name it as noodles veg. And again, here I have to select the outlets where this particular recipe is available. Same with the manufacturing outlet here as well. Now here in the recipe quantity, I'm just going to mention one portion. And as per this, I'm going to enter the SKUs. So for one portion of noodles veg, I am going to take noodles, put in the quantity. Here I'm going to take 1 kg. I'm going to add some other ingredients like onion. And then I'm going to use the recipe sub-recipe. Here, I'm going to take tomato sauce. The moment you type tomato, it will give you all the SKU options and the recipes. Once you scroll down, you can see that tomato sauce pops up here as a recipe. I will just click on this and I'll mention the quantity. There in the tomato sauce, I mentioned the quantity in portion and also in gram. So here I'm just going to put it as one of the unit as 25 gram. Now here similarly you can put in all your notes if you want to, and then click on Save. Now noodles veg recipe got created, and on top you can see that there are 4 recipes and 1 sub recipes. Sub recipes automatically gets defined in the system once you add it in some another recipe. So once you click on this, you can see them in the main section. All the ingredients are listed out, and the one highlighted in blue is the sub recipe. You can again click on this and go and see the sub recipe. If you want, you can again edit it over here. Hope you find this video helpful.